Hey there, 3D printing enthusiasts. Are you ready to have your minds blown? In the fast-paced world of additive manufacturing, metal 3D printing has emerged as the holy grail for artists, engineers, and innovators seeking to push the boundaries of what's possible. As we step into the year 2024, a new era of metal 3D printers has arrived, each one more advanced and capable than the last. Please like and share the video, subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon for more updates. As always, all the links to all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. We also update the description down below with links to find the best price on each product. So for the most up-to-date information along with updated prices, be sure to check out the description. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything that were once the stuff of dreams. Number 5. Markforged Metal X. The unbreakable ally. Imagine a 3D printer that doesn't just create parts, but crafts them with the strength and precision of a master blacksmith. Enter the Markforged Metal X, the undisputed champion of metal 3D printing in 2024. This machine is more than just a tool, it's a trusted ally in the quest for industrial-grade perfection. With its advanced materials and unparalleled blend of strength and precision, the Metal X has become the go-to choice for those who demand nothing less than the best. Whether you're an engineer seeking to revolutionize your product line or an artist dreaming of sculpting with metal, the Markforged Metal X is the key to unlocking your full potential. Number 4. Desktop Metal Production System. The speed demon in the high-stakes world of industrial manufacturing, time is money, and the desktop metal production system is the speed demon that's leaving the competition in the dust. This machine is built for efficiency, offering unrivaled speed, reliability, and part consistency that puts it at the forefront of metal additive manufacturing. Imagine being able to churn out complex parts with the ease of a well-oiled machine, without sacrificing quality or precision. That's the power of the desktop metal production system, a game-changer that's rewriting the rules of what's possible in the world of metal 3D printing. Number 3. HP Metal Jet 3D Printer. The affordable powerhouse. Not everyone has the deep pockets to invest in the latest and greatest metal 3D printers, but that doesn't mean you have to settle for second best. Enter the HP Metal Jet 3D Printer, the affordable powerhouse that's making waves in the industry. This machine is proof that you don't need to break the bank to access cutting-edge technology. With its user-friendly interface and reliable performance, the HP Metal Jet 3D printer is the perfect entry point for those looking to dip their toes into the world of metal additive manufacturing. And with HP's reputation for quality and innovation, you can rest assured that you're getting a machine that will deliver results time and time again. Number 2. Velo 3D Sapphire. The visionary's dream. For those who dream of creating parts and products that defy the limits of traditional manufacturing, the Velo 3D Sapphire is the machine that makes those dreams a reality. This printer is more than just a tool, it's a visionary's dream come true. With its ability to produce parts without compromising on design or quality, the Sapphire is the ultimate ally for those who refuse to be bound by the constraints of the past. It's a machine that evolves with you, adapting to your needs and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of metal 3D printing. If you're an engineer or artist who thrives on innovation and creativity, the Velo 3D Sapphire is the machine that will help you soar to new heights. Number 1. Desktop Metal Studio 2. The workplace wonder. In the fast-paced world of modern manufacturing, having a reliable and versatile metal 3D printer in your workplace is essential. Enter the Desktop Metal Studio 2, the complete metal 3D printing system that's designed to be the workhorse of your operation. With its patented bound metal deposition method and ability to create high-quality metal parts with ease, the Studio 2 is the perfect addition to any workplace looking to stay ahead of the curve. Whether you're a small startup or a large-scale manufacturer, this machine has the power and flexibility to handle your metal 3D printing needs with ease. It's the workplace wonder that's helping to shape the future of additive manufacturing, one part at a time. As we've seen, the world of metal 3D printing in 2024 is a veritable feast for the senses, with each of these top 5 machines offering something unique and exciting. From the unbreakable strength of the Markforged Metal X to the visionary dreams of the Velo 3D Sapphire, there's a machine out there that's perfectly suited to your needs. So why settle for anything less than the best? Embrace the future of additive manufacturing and let these incredible metal 3D printers help you create the parts and products that will change the world.